Hello everyone, for this video, I will do mutual funds shopping in Call Fund Source. Call Fund Source is the most accessible platform for Filipinos who wants to invest in Philippine and global funds. This video is based on my opinion only, sponsored and does not constitute. It's been several months since I last visited my mutual funds portfolio. And since 2025 is about to end, December is the best time to strategize our portfolio for the next year, 2026. As we all know, the Philippine economy as well as the stock market has underperformed in 2025. As you can see here, Philippine funds are on the red. For year 2026, my plan is to add some global funds to my portfolio to ride with the growth happening outside the Philippines. Here, we'll be looking into the available global funds at Call Fund Source. There are 60 available funds here from different mutual fund providers. I'll use filters to narrow down the list to global funds only. For now, I'll filter only by asset class, by equity, and global exposure. Let's apply filter. Let's look into one of the available funds, the BPI US Equity Index Feeder Fund. Okay, features of the fund: aggressive growth, equity fund, high risk, global. Returns: so far positive returns for year to date and since inception. Let's check the fund details. Initial contribution: anyone can start investing for as low as 1,000 pesos. Management fee of 1.5% is pretty reasonable and similar with other providers. No holding period and no early redemption fee, which means you can withdraw your funds anytime without penalties. Fund allocation: by investing in this fund, you immediately gain exposure to the following sectors: information technology, financials, communication and utilities, consumer, and others. Top 10 holdings. Another advantage of investing in mutual funds is affordability and diversification. With as little as 1,000 pesos, you can already start investing indirectly in these global companies: Nvidia, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, and etc. Here's what the fund guides look like. So let's check the Call Fund fact sheet. So you can see the historical performance, more information on the annual returns, and top 10 holdings. Let's look into other funds. Sun Life, Prosperity World Equity Index Feeder Fund, same features. Fund objective: invested in PSEI, S&P 500, MSCI All Country World Index. Returns: so far positive returns, and similar to the previous fund. The Manulife American Growth Feeder Fund is another one. So invested in large cap companies primarily located in the US. And then so far positive returns for year to date and since inception. Next is Manulife Global Thematic Opportunities Equity Feeder Fund. This one is pretty interesting. It's invested in healthcare, robotics, and renewable energy sectors. Positive returns also from year to date and since inception. Let's look at other two. This one is the Global REIT from Manulife. It's invested in real estate such as residential, retail, commercial, hotels. Returns: only 3.65% and negative 2.21%. I think this only started like 2 years or 3 years ago. And then last one is, if you want to invest in the Chinese economy, you can check out Manulife Dragon Growth Equity Feeder Fund. So invested in Hong Kong and Chinese companies, primary emphasis on large and mid-cap companies. Returns: 32.14% for year to date and 3.18% since inception. The great thing with Call Fund Source is the scheduled investment feature. So here is the scheduled investment tab. As long as you have enough funds on your account, you can automatically schedule investments according to your desired funds for as low as 1,000 pesos. So let's try one of the funds we looked at previously, the BPI US. Okay, the fund you have selected is higher than your risk rating. So yeah, this is okay. I already waived this. So as you can see, we can put an initial amount for 1,000 pesos monthly, additional investment of 1,000. We can start on December 15 for a duration of 1 year. Okay, automatic, then invest. So for now, since I'm still checking out the rest of the funds, I'll not yet invest this amount for this fund. Okay, I think that's all. You can also see my previous scheduled investments here. Okay. To end this video, please remember that past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Do your own research and assess your financial situation before investing any of your hard-earned money. That's all for now. Goodbye.